Welcome! If you're looking to make your Facebook experience even better, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to allow comment summaries on your account posts using the Facebook app on your PC, following the latest update. This handy feature helps you quickly catch up on the most important discussions happening on your posts without having to scroll through every single comment. Let's get started. First, open up the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're on the main Facebook page, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your account profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From the drop-down menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand to show even more options. Next, click on Settings. This is where you can control all sorts of features and preferences for your Facebook experience. Now, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the section labeled Posts. Click on it to enter the post settings. Here, you'll find a variety of options that let you customize how your posts appear and how people interact with them. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Allow Comment Summaries on your posts. This is the new feature we're focusing on today. To enable it, simply click the toggle switch so it turns blue. That's it. You've now allowed comment summaries on your posts. With this feature turned on, Facebook will automatically generate short summaries of the comments sections on your posts. This makes it much easier to keep up with the conversation, especially if your posts get a lot of engagement. And there you have it. You've just updated your settings to allow comment summaries on your Facebook posts. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your improved Facebook experience.